Let us learn about the 7 plastic resin types.
The first type of plastic polymer we have is the PET, and its resin code is number 1. So in some of the bottles, it's usually symbolized by 1 and the PET symbol at the bottom of the recycling triangle. And then in other bottles, it's also represented as PETE. In full, it stands for polyethylene terephthalate. The bottles come in different colors, so we have to separate the clears from the green, the brown, some are even red, and the whites. So the second plastic polymer we have is HDPE, and its resin code is number 2. And in full, it stands for high density polyethylene. So with the HDPE, they come in different colors and also in different types. So we categorize them in 2 types depending on the technology that has been used to make the HDPE material. So we have the blow, which is made using the blow molding technology. And then we have the injection, which is made using the injection molding technology. So how we differentiate the 2 is, for injection, we look for the circle symbol at the bottom of the container, and that is how we know this is injection. And then for blow, we look for this line running across the container, and that is how we identify the blow type of HDPE. Plastic polymer number 3 is the PVC, and its resin code is number 3. PVC in full is polyvinyl chloride. A good example of PVC we have are the flexi pipes, and also we have these pipes. So another good example we have is some of the detergent bottles are made out of PVC material, and also the carpets that we use at home are made out of PVC. So PVC is considered as one of the most hazardous types of plastic because of the chloride that is used in manufacture. So plastic polymer number 4 is LDPE, low density polyethylene. A good example is the lid for the dispenser water bottle. Also another good example of LDPE we have is the plastic wrappers, and mostly they are used in packaging of electronics and fragile items because of their flexibility as well as impact resistance. So when it comes to LDPE, again we have 2 types. So we have the low density polyethylene, and then we have the linear low density polyethylene. And the difference between the 2 is basically the density. So the linear low density polyethylene is denser compared to its counterpart. Okay, plastic polymer number 5 is PP, and its resin code is number 5. PP stands for polypropylene. And good examples of PP are usually the yogurt containers, the takeout containers, and also most of our utensils are made out of PP material. So PP is heat resistance, and that's why most of the takeout containers and also the utensils are made out of PP. Plastic polymer number 6 is polystyrene, and its resin code is number 6, and its symbol is PS. So again, a good example are the takeout containers, and also we have this, and they're mostly used for packaging. Plastic polymer number 7 is others, so it's symbolized by resin code 7, and a good example we have is the polycarbonates. We also have the nylon, acrylic, ABS, and fiberglass.